Welcome back for this quick lesson on understanding hue, tone, tint and shades of a color and creating your very own color palette. You can use this lesson for creating your color palette for your project too. Select a particular color from color panel here and use hard round brush for color sampling it on canvas like this. This particular color is your hue right now. This way, add your number of hues to your canvas. Right now I am adding 4 different hues. Now to get its first tint, select that hue by using eyedropper tool. From color panel, move your cursor towards white like this and it will give you a tint of your particular hue. More you go towards white, more lighter the color goes and more bright tint you get. You could paint and see the difference here. For getting shade of that particular hue, go towards black, means downwards. And your colors start getting darker. It means you are getting your shade of that hue. Similarly, I am adding further tint and shade of hues. Also, I would like you to know what value is. Value is basically the amount of color it is in a scale of white to black. When your color is near to white, it's lighter. And when your color goes towards black, it gets heavier or a darker value. Now to create your color palette, firstly add base hue that you think you might need in your artwork and make it in a horizontal way like this. For our case, this is what we need. Rest with time, you can use and adjust by switching to its tints and shades for different value like I did before. So join in my next lesson for your fun activity again of painting a pastry.